I am, what the hell am I doing again? Oh, I got basically two things that I'm not doing work tonight. Because everybody's been sick and, you know, just gotta get rid of this first. Yeah, what do I got? I have two things for tonight and that's it. One is a simple, I'll show you right here. I picked this up. It is a if you can see that. Damn lighting. Miller's Falls number 199. It's an offset screwdriver. It's actually pretty cool. I seen one of these on one of the tool groups and I was like, I want one of those. They're like under $5. And what am I gonna do with it? Screw around with it. It's pretty cool. So you can see the little. This one's in good shape, actually. It's all nice and polished. It was cheap. I think the shipping was more than the damn price of a little screwdriver. I've seen some other ones. The other ones that look pretty shitty. You can see the logo now. I don't know whether this camera is any good or not, but so I thought it was cool. Little Miller's Falls thing. And every time I see an interesting tool, I just get bored and try to pick it up. Anyway, that's one little tool. I will skip and on the next one. So, toodles, enjoy.